Hi, my name is Jess and thank you for joining me on Thrifting is My Beach. I resell clothes online for profit. So I buy low and I sell high, or that is the objective. Doesn't always happen. So from my thumbnail, here is a nice Crewneck champion sweatshirt. It is a men's, looks like a large, the size tag is cut out. I'm not sure what decade. I don't know if it's Y2K or later. I'll have to check out, but it feels like really good quality. I'm going to sell this one. Announcement, I am starting to send in my first kit tomorrow to Thredup. So any of these items that are long sleeve or career wear, I'm going to send in. This one is for myself. Oh yeah, and clothes are 50 cents. That's why I was like, oh my gosh, I have to get there. And also, I want to note that this yard sale, I knew the people. It always helps. So I reached out to them because I think they were technically closed. They've been open all day. But I had my kids with me, so I didn't want to drag my kids out. Keeping this one. It's just nice. It's got a little crisscross in the front. Super soft. I love tie-dye. Make a pile of stuff for me. I try not to, I usually don't keep stuff, but that was just from Shopco. This is really cute. It's like a sheer wrap kimono. Well, it's not kimono because it's got a little flutter sleeve, but the pattern is just gorgeous. It's by BCBG Generation. So since these clothes were only 50 cents, I did pick up brands I would never pick up at the thrift store. I picked up like Old Navy, mall brands. Some of the brands were probably like boutique brands. But like I said, I'm sending anything that is long sleeve, which I think quite a bit of this is, to Thredup. So by the time they process it, it'll probably be about fall time. I also want to note that I have been watching other people that resell on Thredup, and they recommended doing the, I think it's almost $11, where you ask for your items back that they don't want to sell. I've been told that they take more of your items. I don't know if that's true or not, but I also paid $16 to have the expedited processing, just because when I went to print my label out, they said it's gonna be 14 weeks before they could process my stuff. Now, I don't know if that's just a way for them to get more money, but for my sanity, I went ahead and paid that. Okay, now on to my haul. Like Marie says, I wouldn't pay $4 for this in the thrift store, but I would pick this up at the bins. It is nice cowl net knit sweater, and it's the, I'll show you the tag, it's the 24/7. I think this is like their cozy line, but don't quote me. And I believe it was a larger size. Yeah, it's an extra large. Like I said, I only am paying 50 cents for these items. So if I can profit like $8, that is fine off Thredup, because I'm not photographing. I'm simply buying and putting it in a box and sending it off. So that's why I don't mind having smaller profit margins. Okay, here we have green tea. I do have another jacket from this brand that I've had for like a year that I have not sold, but it is known for their loungewear and it is a better quality. However, I don't know that the resale value is that great, but this is a really pretty like wine red, and it's a 2X, so this should do you know, decent on Thredup, and if not, then I'll get it back and I'll try to sell it. Okay. Sorry if the bag's kind of crinkly and loud. I do not remember. Oh, yeah, see, I just went the other day and I'm already forgetting what I got. Just a cool Christmas crew neck. I'll just put this on online and sell this one myself. All right, I need to go through and separate my piles because I'm already kind of getting them messed up. There we go. Okay. Trying to pull out the sweaters first. Here is a Maurice's 1X hooded open front sweater. Nice knit. It's a little bit longer, but it's not quite tunic. Send that into Thredup. Oh, and by the way, if you see something here that you want, go ahead and send me a message. I'll put my Instagram name here too. The handle is also Thriftingismyjam, and just let me know. Here we have some Banana Republic, the Merton fit. I've sold these in the past, but like I said, I'm going to try and send these in to Thredup. Here's some more career wear. I'm going to sell these myself. I'm pretty sure these are, I don't know if they classify as vintage, but definitely Y2K. LEI. I own several pairs. Not necessarily these plaid ones. These are fun though. I can't tell. I think they're boot cut. Those look really cute. I'm going to sell those myself. Here is a nice, like, thick career pencil skirt. And it is by Loft. So I'm going to send that in a Thredup. Here's another pencil skirt. It's got the cute little button pocket detail. This is by the Limited. Those are both size 8s, I believe. I'm going to sell these myself because they're swim trunks. Just men's tropical. It's a really pretty, like, burnt orange almost. Trying to find the brand. Joe Marlin. These are extra larges. And like I said again, these are all 50 cents a piece. I have been selling so many swimsuits the last 3 weeks. If you have them, get them listed today. This is cute. Carolina blue. Nice blouse. I've never heard of this brand. It does still have the little tags, so I could consider this new without tags, possibly. I'll check the condition, but it just feels like a polyester. I will list that myself. This one is cute. I picked this one up on Style, but it is a Maurice's. This is a duster. I think it's a duster. Yeah. It has like one button at the top. But how cute is that? It's, you know, like Tunic. Yeah. It's cute. I will sell that one just because it's more like a spring summer piece, I feel. Here's a sweater that will go to Thredup. Just a Maurice's sweater, open knit. Here's a cute career blouse by Maurice's. It's a medium. It's got this fun little shimmer metallic thread throughout with some beading around the neck. And also cute little back detail. I don't know. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna send that one in. That's for myself. Here's another item for myself. I spent a total of $17 or $18, I think, on everything. And initially it was only $14, so I went back and got this pillow for myself. We have a Nautical Bedroom, and it's still new with tags, and it was only $3. I love this color. It's like my new favorite color. Yeah, it's from Lush. How adorable. So, okay. I only picked up a few men's items. I do like to sell men's, but I don't have much experience with like dress up shirts, you know, that you would wear for work. But this felt like new, and it's a really nice LL Bean. It's thick. I like the colors. Did it say non-iron? Yeah, wrinkle resistant. Yep. It's nice red and blue. So I will sell that one myself. I will also sew this one myself. It's just a nice green Nike, kind of like a golf shirt. It's got the swoosh on the sleeve. I believe it's an extra large, which is a good size. Yep. You know, when the items are so cheap, it's like you almost kind of get items because they're so cheap, but then you have to remember you have to list everything before you go sourcing again, and that's my issue. So I think with Thredup, it's going to help me not have as much of a death pile because I'm going to be processing faster. Since I have little kids, I don't have as much time at the moment to dedicate to my business. So this is a way to hopefully increase my income without putting as much time into listing. Okay, here is really pretty merino wool turtleneck. I don't know if you consider that a cowl neck. No, it's probably turtle. I believe this retails for a decent amount. I don't even know how to pronounce that. Adrian Vettadini. It's just really pretty. I'm gonna send that in. I do currently have one of her wool cardigans on my Poshmark app. On Poshmark, and I've had it on there for almost a year with hardly any attention, so I'm going to send that one in to Thredup as well. Here is a, what breed is this? Oh, Calvin Klein. Just a nice career blouse. Cowl neck with a cute little buckle detail. We're getting near the end. Here's just an Old Navy casual top. Tunic. They call it a tunic. Like I said, I'm expecting, you know, maybe $5 from that, from Thredup, but that's fine because I'm not putting any time into it. Here's a nice Maurice's top. I like the cutout. I don't know if you consider that like a choker shirt. Well, no, it's not quite choker, is it? Cute, a little flowy with the is it kangaroo pocket? I think so. Yeah, so I'll send that in. Here's another sweater. Sorry, it's got a string on it. Okay. I love this. I love the style and love the color. It's by 888. I'm not sure. But I'll just send that in. Okay, here is a, I'm going to list this myself because it's a no brand. It's like that cheap made in China stuff, but it is a very boho, like the style is what got me with the colors. With a tassel tie, I'm going to sell this online for, you know, like $20, I'd be happy. And you would be shocked. I have sold this cheap made in China stuff. Like 2 weeks ago, I sold a cheap made in China swimsuit for full price on Poshmark, which is very rare, for $26. So you should pick it up at the bins. If it, like, go on style or go with your gut. Sell my stuff pile. Okay. All right, I have 2 health and beauty items. As you know, I love to sell other things besides clothing and accessories. I picked this up for 75 cents. It is a dietary supplement. It looks like it's something that you add to water. The sticker is still sealed. It does expire in July, so I need to get this listed like today. I checked comps, paid 75 cents for it if I didn't tell you already. And these currently flip for $30 to $36. Yeah, so. Also, I don't have it with me because my mom called me and told me she got it. But if you've watched my previous videos, I love to sell the L'Oreal Preference hair conditioner that you get in the box dye. Box dye, yeah, is that what it's called? I don't know. It's the stuff that you buy at like Walmart to color your hair at home. And I've sold it 3 times now. And the last time I had a bundle of 18 of those little tubes of hair conditioner that my mom had given me, and I sold it for $75 plus shipping. So my mom said she got me about the same amount for 25 cents a piece. So I'll pay her back and I'll go online and I'll sell that. I'll put a picture up above so you can kind of see what I'm talking about. If you see them at thrift stores, you should, and I guess the price is right, you should grab them because they flip like 2 weeks or less. All right, please hit the subscribe button if you like reseller content or if you just want to learn more about my life or whatever, how I work from home. hit the bell. There's a bell right below in this corner. It will tell you when I post new videos on your phone, so you don't have to keep going back to YouTube. I think that's all I had to tell you. Thank you for joining me. Comment down below if you are currently going to garage sales. When I was there, obviously I was the only person. I haven't necessarily gone out and hit a whole bunch. This was only my second time going garage selling this year. But I do have a trip planned for the bins in like a week and a half that I am ecstatic about. My next video that I will probably post within a few days is going to be what I'm sending to Thredup, because then I will do a follow-up of what they sent back to me. And I'm just going to keep sending stuff back and back and back, even if they refuse it, because people have told me that they will eventually, unless there's a flaw on it, accept the item. So thank you again for joining me. Have a great day.